ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਇੱਕ ਓੰਕਾਰ ਸਤਿਨਾਮ ਕਰਤਾ ਪੁਰਖ ਨਿਰਭਉ ਨਿਰਵੈਰ ਅਕਾਲ ਮੂਰਤ ਅਜੂਨੀ ਸੈਭੰ ਗੁਰ ਪ੍ਰਸਾਦ ਜਪ ਆਦਿ ਸੱਚ ਜੁਗਾਦਿ ਸੱਚ ਹੈ ਵੀ ਸੱਚ नानक होसी भी सच आदि सच जुगादि सच है भी सच नानक होसी भी सच। हाँ जी, how are you? I felt like asking you that it has been some time now since we have been understanding about life as Maharaj tells us. Do you feel that we are understanding something about life or not yet? Because it's very difficult to understand about life. It's not difficult to understand. The difficulty is that we cannot listen to what Maharaj Ji says. Because first of all there is our personal life, then family life, then life at work, and then social life, our social life. So we are so much absorbed in these different things, and so many worries, anxieties, fears, insecurities, that there is no room for anything to come in. No room. What Maharaj Ji tells us, only the blessed ones get to listen. Every ounce of our energy, our consciousness is occupied in solving the problems in those different sections of our lives, personal, family, social, and at work, that we don't even know what is life. What is life? And we do not think that it's that important to know what is life. Maharaj Ji tells us about life. He says life is a game, and any game is played to win. Everybody, both teams in a game, play to win. Then, what is the game? And what are the rules of the game? This is very interesting. What is the game if life is game? And what are the rules of the game? Maharaj Ji ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਦੁੱਖ ਵਿੱਚ ਜੰਮਣ ਦੁੱਖ ਮਰਨ ਦੁੱਖ ਵਰਤਨ ਸੰਸਾਰ ਦੁੱਖ ਦੁੱਖ ਅੱਗੇ ਆਖੀਐ ਪੜ ਪੜ ਕਰੇ ਪੁਕਾਰ. Maharaj Ji says that life is a game, and the game is played under definite rules. Those definite rules are called his command, hukum. Hukum. And he says that you are anxious, you are worried, you are insecure, fearful, angry, all those. Because you haven't understood what is life. You haven't understood that life is a game. And if you don't understand this, which I'm going to tell you what is this game, then you are going to remain in the territory of pain. Then it's painful to be born. It's going to be painful to die. It's going to be painful to deal with the world. And those who are older than you, ask them, are they really satisfied, content? And they would tell you, no, we are not satisfied. There's a pain. We are feeling pain. So when we reach that stage, next year, and we are going to find that the pain is going to be there. Why the pain is there? Because we did not understand the game and we are not playing that game. We are entangled in a totally different self-created situation. 10वें पातशाह जी कहते, मैं हूँ परम पुरख को दासा, देखने आयो जगत तमाशा, देखने आयो जगत तमाशा. Guru Nanak Dev Ji in his 10th appearance reveals that why I'm here on this earth. He says, I'm a servant of the divine and I'm here on this earth to see the show. फिर कहते, बाजीगर डंक बजाई, सब खल्क तमाशे आई. बाजीगर डंक बजाई, सब खल्क तमाशे आई. And then Maharaj Ji says, Guru Granth Sahib Ji, that whosoever comes here on this earth is sent by the divine, and he sends everyone here to see the show. To see the show. Maharaj Ji says that everyone is sent to see the show. And when we are seeing the show like in a movie, we are supposed to just watch. That's all. But we don't do that. We become the show ourselves. How hilarious it is. We become the show. He had sent us here to show us the show, and we become the show. Now to understand what is game, what is the game. When we talk to someone, the game is that we have to go through this fair, this show in our lifetime. And whomsoever we meet on the way, and how that person we feel, we have to pay for that. We have to pay in that coin, in the same coin. This is the rule of the game, that automatically it happens that when somebody, even the first time we meet somebody, and we look at him or her, and if the other person is smiling while looking at us, how do we pay back? How do we pay them back? Not with the name calling, but with the smile, with love, with humility. This is the major rule of the game, that everybody has to evaluate everybody, has to. Automatically we are programmed that way. Everybody is evaluated by everybody. This is how we are programmed by the divine. So if somebody smiles at us, we are programmed to smile back at. If somebody is frowning at us, anger starts rising in us. This is how we are programmed. And under this law, we have to go through the show. We have to go through the show. And this is so important. And Maharaji says that in the show, we evaluate others and others evaluate us. That what is our quality? What is our quality? And please remember that quality is never an accident. It is always the result of hard work, of sincere efforts. Maharaji asks us that look at yourself honestly. Apne giriban mein muh neema kar de. He says, look within. Are you happy? Are you a person of good quality? And if we are honest with ourselves, we would find we won't feel satisfied with us. And we must not keep dwelling in this village of unsatisfaction. We must move away from. ਐਸ ਮੈਂ ਨਾਲ ਸਾਡਾ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਦਿਲ ਹੁਣ ਨੀ ਮਾਏ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਕਾਲੀ ਜਿਹੀ ਪਵੇ ਮੈਂ ਇਸ ਪਿੰਡ ਨਹੀਂ ਰਹਿਣਾ ਦੁੱਖਾਂ ਦੇ ਪਿੰਡ Oh my mother, I'm not happy with myself. I don't want to dwell in this village where there is anxiety, anger, worries. ਐਸ ਮੈਂ ਨਾਲ ਸਾਡਾ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਦਿਲ ਹੁਣ ਨੀ ਮਾਏ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਕਾਲੀ ਜਿਹੀ ਪਵੇ. I'm feeling so restless in this village. ਐਸ ਮੈਂ ਨਾਲ ਸਾਡਾ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਦਿਲ ਹੁਣ ਨੀ ਮਾਏ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਕਾਲੀ ਜਿਹੀ ਪਵੇ. Well, take care of yourself. Tomorrow we'll meet again.